So today's book is Father Christmas Goes on Holiday, which I thought would be a lovely festive book. I mean, I kind of didn't because I know that he goes on holiday, so it's not going to be that festive. But it's quite, like, sweary. He says blooming in it a lot. He's, like, angry about that there's no ketchup in France and stuff. And it's quite, yeah, so I'm kind of, like, winding it down. You don't mind anyway, because you're just pulling on the pages and trying to eat it, aren't you, baby? And the camera. Yeah. So might just kind of like not carry that book on. I think it's just a bit adult. Oh, she's eating the camera. Uh-oh. Ah. Also, we slept in again. We just woke up and it's 9 o'clock. Lovely. B slept the whole way till 6 actually. Come on, baby. And then you lay down next to me and we fell asleep again till 9. So I don't know. Clocks are all over the place. I don't know if it's bad. I don't know because I mean it works for us, so I'm happy. Are you happy, B? Yeah? Should we get you into more of a routine now? Am I being naughty? Maybe. Hey guys, right, I've noticed that I'm actually using Vlogmas as a to-do list. I keep going, I've got to do this, I've got to do that. It's very useful, so I'm going to do that again. I hope you don't mind. Please fast forward if you think that's incredibly boring. But here is my to-do list. So, got to pick up the toys that B drops, spray them and give them back to her. That is a long one. That one takes a very long time. But no, Bee's all happy. She's had her breakfast. He had a lovely breakfast, didn't he? He had toast. And he had this really lovely thing, like sweet potato and carrot yogurt that I didn't think would go down really well, but she loved it. Hobbs had lots of toast as well because she dropped lots. Hobbs, what have you found there? Uh-oh. Okay, have to find the food in the sofa and clear it away. Have to clear this area. This is getting ridiculous. This is just piles of stuff that we can't deal with and we're just, come on. Right, gonna clear that and get things into storage. Which is basically my car. Clear the pen. Tell you about the post that arrived. Ooh, I have bags and they're beautiful, but I'll tell you about them later. This is uploading. 44% day 3. That's been uploading since last night. I told you the upload speeds were slow. Okay, next is... Oh, there's just so many clothes everywhere. Right. Yeah, this is laundry. I need to get that in the washer. This is now clean and dry, so I need to put all that away. It's mainly nappies, so I just need to build the nappies, which I quite enjoy doing. Sort out this area of... Bee's laundry. I mean, how much laundry does a baby need? So ridiculous. I want to sort through these drawers because they're a mess. So these are all Bee's kind of accessories like tights, socks, bibs, hats. Love to sort through them. I'm not going to say this is all going to happen today because I'm not a Wonder Woman. Bathroom's alright, maybe a quick spruce. Yeah, a quick spruce. Kitchen's actually surprisingly good. So I'm just sorting out the formula at the moment, getting a new one in there, because I don't like to use the packaging, so we put it all in a glass jar, so that one's ready to go. Dishwasher's on. Need to load the laundry. Right. And, yeah, so I think, I'm hoping, because I've not managed a proper shower or bath yet in a few days because it's really, really hard work. I can only do it when Bee's napping, and if we're out and about, I'm not near the shower then, so I have to have wet wipe showers. Not very nice. So my plan for today is we're not going to go out until the afternoon. We'll go for a walk, and I'm going to start running a bath now because Bee's going to go down for a nap in about half an hour, and then I can have a nice bath while she's napping. So even if she has a short nap, I still have a proper bath, and I can always be in here in my, you know, getting ready and stuff while she's in her cot, waking up. So yeah, that's my plan today. We'll see how that goes. But there's a lot to do. My hair really needs a clean, so yeah, that really is a big thing on today's list. I better get on with it. I did it! I washed my hair, I had a bath, B slept for half an hour, so that was actually perfect timing. And then I came in to wake her up and she looked at me like, who the hell is this lady with a towel on her head? And she realised it was me and gave me a big smile, baby. Boop! Should I whistle? There you are. Look at your teeth. I always whistle 2 front teeth. All I want for Christmas is my 2 front teeth. But you've got 3 and a 4th coming up. So all you want for Christmas is your 4th front teeth. Okay, right. I better get changed. Hi, Beezy Bub. So while I get ready and do some laundry and stuff, I put her in this, which is so useful because it's just perfect for her to kind of, I feel like she's safe even though she's on the bed and I'm just kind of rushing around. If she like topples over or whatever, she's all good. And I call it her Jersey boat. Do you like your Jersey boat? And I fill it with toys and she has a lot of fun. And we've got the sensory foil. Oh, there we are. Oh, look at her face. She's like excited and terrified all at once. Yeah, baby. That will be fun, won't it? So I'm going to do some tidying while you play with your sensory foil. So we are doing some tummy time on this beautiful quilt that was made for us. Isn't it beautiful? I've done an Instagram post about it, but I thought while I'm filming I should show you it in more detail. It's by Claire Quilty Girl and I've only met her once and obviously online loads, and she just has put so much time and effort into it and I cannot get over her generosity and talent and everything. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful, baby? Oh, I love it. Everything is hand sewn, embroidered. She's from Australia, so there's loads of like little Aussie things and oh, it's just so beautiful. Isn't it so beautiful? And on the other side, but you can't see it at the moment, is Beatrix's date of birth. Now, does anyone else think that Bea is going to be crawling soon? Because she keeps lifting her bum. Maybe. Oh, there we are. Oh. Oh dear, we're really not ready for crawling, although I want her to. This flat is not ready, Bea. Wait a sec. Sometimes the weirdest things occupy Bea for hours. And I just put a basket of socks next to her, about to put them away, and I realised she was laughing her head off and she was finding it so funny to just pull out the socks. It's so cute. Do you like Daddy's socks? You don't eat Daddy's socks. At least they're clean. Well, that was a favourite, that one. It's so cute. I'm going to do this more often, just put a bag of clothes next to her because it's really funny. A basket. Okay, talking of bags though, I obviously got distracted. Look at this beauty. I mean, look how well it goes with the quilt for a start. But Sarah Colson is a lovely, lovely person who I actually knew in my youth. We went UFO spotting together in Marlborough, and she makes beautiful bags and lighting, by the way, just thought I'd let you know. And she sent me this one as a gift, and it's just, I mean, it's 100% me, so Oh, beautiful. And look at all the pockets. I mean, I bring a lot of stuff with me everywhere I go with Bee, so this is very, very helpful because I've got her changing bag. I've also got another bag, but this is going to be like perfect for actual kind of like her clothes. And actually I'm not going to put nappies in here. In fact, I've decided while I'm talking to you, this is my bag. This is not Bee's bag, this is my bag. Bee has a bag, so I'm going to put my things in here. Yay! Anyway, so big pockets, and then look, I love the straps, and then look, this is so cool. So you've got a really big compartment, but you can like tie it up basically and make it closed off. So it makes it a really kind of secure bag as well. I just love, it's just so me, and I'm really, really happy. It's beautifully sewn. Absolutely gorgeous. All of the top stitching is beautiful. The fabric is so lovely, and I couldn't be happier. Thank you so much, Sarah Coulson. Post, post, post. Bee, is this post for you? Is it? Is it? I think it is. We've got Christmas tights. We've got a Christmas jumper. And another Christmas jumper! Look! I couldn't resist. Yay! Christmas! That is so your favourite sock, isn't it? Okay, I got the packaging out of the way because there was too much plastic. Anyway, look! Oh, they're so cute. I'm hugely excited about them. Oh, you're gonna look so cute. Yes, baby. Oh, hey, nap time hustle. Bee is sleeping and I have cleared the area. Yay. I haven't done Stephen's desk yet. Oh dear. And I have also got this now to sort, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm not doing too badly. And little baby sleeping. Busy Bub, what's wrong? She really wants to be cuddled a lot today, but I'm leaving her there because she seems to sort it out by herself when she realises how many more friends and toys she has there. Oh dear. It's okay, baby girl. Yeah, it's okay. So I'm doing Daddy's Advent gift today. Do you want to hear the poem? Oh, baby. Okay, I'm going to come and read it to you in here. Come on. Ah, hello. Hello, baby. Hello, look at this. She just wants cuddles all the time. Oh, baby. So it goes, oh no, Bee's going to eat it. Uh-oh. Bee, can I just read it to the camera? It goes, I don't know if it will move up the pecking order, but to find this present, look to the art folder and find it with its species. One rather special, I hope you agree, pieces. I can't say that. Pieces. Yeah, okay. Well, it doesn't like super rhyme, but I'm actually quite proud of it because it's, well, you'll find out later. You can't have it, Busy Bub.
Hello, you.
Oh, hello,
you. Hello, you. Hello, you.
Bee, do you want to ask your daddy to open door number 4?
Ooh, should we open door number 4?
Wait, is it 4 or 5?
No, 4 was just.
Oh, I think I messed up.
Have you put it in 4?
I put it in 4, sorry. I should. No, it is in 5, isn't it?
Yes, I put yours back in.
Okay, good. Wow, I'm so good at the dates bit of this, always. Okay, open door number 5.
We have open door number 5, and there is soon to be a riddle.
Can you not read the first word?
No, I can read it.
Okay.
I don't know if it will move up the pecking order, but to find this present, look to the art folder. And find it with its species, one rather special, I hope you agree, pieces. One rather special, I hope you agree, pieces.
Yeah, I mean, it was to rhyme with species.
So the art folder, I'm thinking in the library. In the library bit.
Should we put your toy back how it's meant to be? Because this is wrong.
There we go.
Isn't that so cool, guys? I love that toy. And she loves it too. Okay. Oh, is that where the... I didn't realise that was where the art folder is.
Oh, there's more than one.
Okay, good.
Is it this one?
No. I thought it was the kind of more vertical one. Horizontal one.
What, this?
Yeah.
I guess
Look
that's
towards
where
that.
art stuff is.
Yeah.
Really? Oh, is this something here?
No.
No. Oh, hello.
Oh, hello.
What is that? Is this a praxiloscope? Oh, that is cool.
Isn't it great? It's the pecking order. I thought you'd like it.
Incredible.
Look at him. Yay! I'm pleased to see you so happy. That's wonderful. Alright, darling.
Thank you, darling.
Happy day 5. Mwah.
Oh, day 5 is so cool.
Yay! What's going on, Bee? What's going on?